Hey everyone, Rowan here, and today I'm going to show you how to start a discussion with your team members in Bullclip. Now, open and clear communication is vital when working on complex projects with short deadlines, particularly when you're working with remote team members. Splitting communications between emails, messenger feeds, markups, Excel sheets just doesn't quite compare to having a room full of people standing around the same set of drawings with clear and concise communication. And with Bullclip, you can achieve that with our context-specific discussion tools around the drawing or the issues. So I'm going to show you how to start a discussion with your team members in Bullclip. First, you open up the drawing that you wish to talk about. So I'm going to go down here and open up S305. And then I'm going to open up the comments feed here on the left-hand side. So you can see there's already a comment here. And I'm simply going to start the discussion. Hey Darren, tag him in that. I'll paste my comment that I've got here. I'm finished with my review. Can you have a look? And I'll send that to him. Now Darren will receive an email with a link to this drawing with the comment attached to it as well. So when he opens up his email, he'll see that I've mentioned him in this comment and that he's needed to jump straight back into this drawing and keep the conversation going. Really easy. As soon as he's done that, he can jump in, add his comment. It'll sync with me in real time. I don't even need to refresh the page. Simple as that. So I can go ahead and tag and chat to whoever I want on the project straight here in the comments feed, and we can keep the conversation going. So very easy. I encourage you to jump in, and if you're not already, start a discussion with your team members today on the discussions in the drawings feed. And if you need a hand, head to our website, or otherwise reach out to us at support@bullclip.com, and we're more than happy to help.